Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex, and today our topic is I want to show you direct using USB OTG cable and then direct live from your mobile. This is the second option, right? So before we started the closer view, and we have two options. We have two options to connect. The first option, which is you can using any output on here. Any output, so you output direct to your 3.5 mm, your mobile 3.5 mm input, and then you're doing some live streaming. And you can using the XLR or the mono output, balance output, or you can using the record output, which is the red and white. And today we are not talking the first option. Today we are second option, and using this USB and then connect to your USB, your mobile phone USB. But the first thing, you need to have OTG cable. You cannot direct using the USB type, the USB output, and then using USB-C cable to connect, which is totally not working. And you have to using the OTG cable. Yes. After ready, we are just drive into it and closer view and let you more understand. Okay, see you later.
We'll step by step and let you know what do you need to do. And then first, of course, you need the mixer, and then your smartphone, the mobile phone, and then the original USB to USB cable. And then the last thing, important thing is this is the USB Type-C OTG. Okay, whatever is a USB 3.0, 2.0, it doesn't matter. So what you're gonna do is, the first thing you have to connect yours USB Type-C. So, and then your USB cable, these two, and just connect. And then the last one, you have to connect to this, the here. So when you plug in, so if that's not working, never mind. If the mixer is not working, it's okay, it doesn't matter. You just need to go to setting. So you need to go to setting about your phone. So in this phone MIUI version, which means you have to turn on your developer mode. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now you are the developer. Okay, so once you are already developer mode, so you can try to unplug and you try to plug in again. See, that's already turned on. If you are not on your developer mode, there's nothing can turn on. Okay, so once you're turned on, you can do your live streamings. So like this here, I will put my condenser microphone. If you put a condenser microphone, please turn on the 48 volt phantom power. And this is my guitars and everything, the headphone. So when I want to doing the recording, I need to plug my headphone to monitor my own voice and my guitars. Okay, so this is what the connection.